Второй класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Рыбак и рыбка. Часть вторая. Страница 22, 23, 24, 25. English. Starlight 2. The fisherman and the fish. Homework. Part number 2. Page number 22, 23, 24, 25. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 22, 22. The fisherman and the fish. Listen, point to the pictures and say. Слушай, показывай на картинке и скажи. Screen, slab, high waves, palace, throne, God. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочитайте историю. The next week, the fisherman's wife asks to see him. I want to be queen of the land, she screams. Queen of the land, says the fisherman. Are you mad, old woman? She slaps him and tells him to go. The fisherman goes to the sea. Now the sky is black and the waves are very high. He calls the fish and it swims up to him. Dear fish, says the poor old man, I don't know what to do. My wife wants to be queen of the land. Okay, you can have your wish. Go home now, says the fish and swims away. The fisherman goes home. He sees a beautiful palace. His wife is sitting on a golden throne. There are two guards standing in front of the throne. Who are you? They ask. What do you want, old man? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 23. 23. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and write. Who is saying the sentences? Прочтите историю еще раз и скажите, кто произносит предложение. I want to be queen. Are you mad? I don't know what to do. Go home now. The answer. Old woman, fisherman's wife. Fisherman, fisherman, fish. My dear friends, do exercise number 2. Find and circle 13 words from the story. Найдите 13 слов из рассказа. Запишите их в тетрадь. The answer. Fisherman, throne, sea, wave, land, wish, God, palace, woman, queen, scream, mad, ask. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. You want to visit Queen of the land. Complete the permit. Вы хотите посетить королеву земли? Заполните разрешение. Permit to visit the Queen of the land. Please fill in your details. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 24. 24. Exercise number 4. Listen and sing. Послушай и спой. Kneel down, old man. Kneel down and bend your head. Bend your head, bend your head. Kneel down, old man. Kneel down and bend your head. Bend your head, bend your head. Leave now, old man. You cannot see the queen. Go away, go away. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 25. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences to your friend. Прочитайте слова предложения своему другу. Dan the bat. Dan is a bat. Dan has got a cap. It's a black cap. Elma, the nurse. Elma walks as a nurse. What's the matter? She asks a little girl. My arm hurts, says the girl. Elma looks at her arm. Oh dear, she says. Let's call the doctor. Meg the elephant. Meg is an elephant. She wears a red dress. She wears a red hat on her head. She wears red socks too. She likes red. Put, book, good, look, foot, fool, put that. Put that purple. Put that purple book. Put that big purple book on. Put that big purple book on my desk, please. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Listen and circle the right pictures. Послушай и выбери подходящие картинки. Hand, zebra, girl, book. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Listen and sing. The bird has got a yellow book. in a purple nest. The girl has got a black book. It's better than the rest. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.